That's it's a very good effort, and we must get the best from all the religions. You know, in the name of secularism, we eliminated all religious dimension. We said we had to be only scientific. We should never bother about the religions. Why did this happen? Because in the name of religions, we fought. This is the main message that Swami Vivekananda gave in the Parliament of Religions. What is the real purpose of religion? Is to build harmony, peace, and love and affection among all the communities in the world. But in the name of religion, what we have done? If you look at the history, he said, probably we have waged more wars in the name of religions than anything else. Therefore, he appealed to all the heads of the religious leaders who had come in the Parliament of Religions in Chicago that at least now, let us make a decision. Let us make a resolution. We will not fight in the name of religions. So that was the appeal. So let us develop universal love. That love is the key feature of all religions. There are common factors in all religions which Patanjali has given by the name Yama and Niyama. What we have to do, what we should not do, as human beings to live together as one big family. So therefore yoga gives the basis for all the religions. So we have a number of people from Islam community, they have come to us, Jewish community, they have come to us, many fathers and others who come to us, and everybody is very happy because once they know about the yoga, the science behind it, as a science of holistic living, we can use that. What we have done is we have taken the best thing from Christianity. When we worked in Arunachal Pradesh, most people are Christians there. So people has to come. So we found out what are the best things in Bible. Take out this thing and use them. Christ is such an embodiment of love. If somebody hits you on this cheek, show the other cheek. Such is the love that he manifests. Nice stories. Such things have to be brought. So find out what are all the common features in all religions and bring them and make religion as a very wonderful living dimension. I consider Singapore is the best. In Singapore we have got very good center. That's our international center for the entire southeastern regions of the globe. In Singapore what they have done is everybody should follow a religion. You belong to Islam? Okay. How many of you are there? How many mosques you want? We will help you build the mosque. You should go there and pray. How many Hindus are there? Build temples. You must go there and do. How many Christians, how many Buddhists, how many Jews? The government supported, but they said, you cannot talk ill of any other religion. If I say that I am the best, all others are wrong, then they will keep you behind bars. They will take you into the prison. They have got very strong intelligence. They will be watching what you are talking. So in the temples they will go. If somebody talks, Christianity is bad, this, that, like this thing, then immediately they will be taken, put behind prison. Anybody in Christianity, they say that Hinduism is this thing, Christianity is the best, other things are bad, and you have to do this thing, they will be put behind bars. So you should never talk bad anything about the religion. You tell your religion very good and inspire the people. Let them follow the religion. Do all the good things that are there. Never do bad for this thing. This should be the thing that we have to do. So this is a wonderful effort that we are doing. It should come up.